Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best Airbag Reset Tools for comprehensive car diagnostics. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. MUCAR CS4CS6 OBD2 Scanner. This versatile OBD2 scanner offers lifetime free engine, transmission, airbag, and ABS system scans. It can clear fault codes and supports 5 reset functions, making it a comprehensive car diagnostic tool. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Foxwell NT650 Elite OBD2 Scanner. An advanced OBD2 scanner with engine code reading, ABS, airbag, EPB, oil, and TPMS functions. It supports 26 resets and serves as a robust automotive diagnostic tool. At number 3. NEXPEAK K1 Plus OBD2 Scanner. This upgraded OBD2 scanner reads codes for airbags, ABS, DPF, and oil systems. It includes the K1 Pro features, offering enhanced automotive diagnostic capabilities. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. OBDSTAR P50 Airbag Reset Tool. Supporting 86 brands and over 11,800 ECU part numbers, this tool offers airbag reset via OBD or bench. It also supports battery and SAS resets, making it a highly specialized device. At number 1. Launch X431 CRP123E version 2.0 OBD2 Scanner. A robust OBD2 scanner for ENG, ABS, airbag, SRS, and AT systems. It supports 7 reset functions and is a comprehensive tool for automotive diagnostics, an upgrade from the CRP123.